Alright guys, the intermission on the CDT is over. I will be heading back to the trail tomorrow. Mark and Jess are kind enough to bring me back out to the trail again, even though it's a 3-hour one-way trip for them. So awesome, guys, for doing that. That's really great. So since I'll be returning to the trail, I just want to go over some of the things I did with my time off. I mean, a lot of my time off was just being stuck with Giardia. It turns out I was diagnosed with Giardia, so I had a lot of issues with it. It was pretty severe, so a lot of bathroom trips and stuff like that. And my symptoms, after thinking they went away, returned. So I finally went and got an antibiotic for it. So, but when I was not laying in bed with a bunch of pain or in the bathroom, we did some cool stuff. We went to some state parks.
Those and spiders, dude. Everything else I can get by.
Yeah, that's a generator. Engineering marvels and heavily meandering rivers. We got some food in Colorado Springs. Alright guys, I am Jandals with Hiker vs. Hunger, and today I'm headed to Front Range Barbecue in Colorado Springs, Colorado with a couple of great friends. Fried cheese curds and beer. How about a hard cider and some live music? There it is, folks, the sloppy pig, featured on diners, drive-ins, and dives. Alright, we're done running around this city being little ragamuffins, so hanging out at home with the pups and enjoying some nice Kona Kana Hot Blonde Ale. Getting back to my Hawaii roots from a month or two ago. I played a lot of video games. Life is pretty drastically different from the CDT out here, as it's currently about 7 p.m. Haven't showered yet today. I am eating some ice cream, Oreo ice cream for dinner, and playing some Crash Bandicoot on TV. Basically every kid's dream, but in a 26-year-old male's body, so I'm living the life out here, I guess. I even got a surprise visit from my friend Jim. He is known as Medicine Man on the trail. He successfully completed the Pacific Crest Trail last year, and he's a friend of mine from back in college. It's time for some beer and slices with the bros, with special guests. Venture into adventure, PCT Master.
Medicine Man is here.
Medicine Man is in the house.
Very young timers area. That's what it is.
And then I eventually got the Giardia medicine I was telling you about. My symptoms from my Giardia have returned, so my plan was, if they did return, then I would indeed take an anti-parasitic, antibiotic, whatever it may be. So my man Mac, who has been following this YouTube videos and my hike, he's a trail angel in New Mexico. You probably heard me mention him before. This guy is the man. He was able to help diagnose me and then call in a script for me for Flagyl. So now I have a script waiting for me at Walmart, and I'll be able to go pick that up in a couple minutes, and then I'll start taking some of that to help with the symptoms and hopefully get rid of whatever might still be in me. And then after I'm done with that script, I'll start taking in some probiotics as well. So we'll see how that goes. But thank you so much, Mac. You are the man. Then for the 4th of July, I had some issues with my Giardia, so I couldn't go out for anything. But from the back deck, we were able to see some fireworks. And then we saw some pretty cool weather systems move through as well, so there's some cool hailstorms. We got ourselves a hailstorm right now, and she is loud. So all in all, it was a pretty good time. I had, other than the pain of Giardia, I really enjoyed myself and had a great time with Mark and Jess and got really close with them, which is awesome. And I've been meaning to see them for probably years now since they left New York, so that was really nice. So starting tomorrow, you should be seeing some new videos from me on the trail. The only catch is I have to walk them first. So this video will be coming out a little later than I'm making it. But I will be returning to the trail. This will be, let's see, July 8th. I'll be returning to the trail. And I'll be starting back up with day 70. So I appreciate all your guys' patience while I've been off trail and haven't been posting much. But we should be getting right back into the swing of the things with about a 1-week delay on my videos, and you'll be able to see the trail. And I'll finally be able to leave Monarch Pass. Oh my God, I feel like I've been stuck there forever. So we'll pick this up tomorrow with day 70 on trail. All right.